today I'm working with 3 glass bowls. They kind of remind me of like a goldfish bowl. 2 of them are the same size. The third one is a little bit smaller. You can get these at most stores, sometimes the dollar store, but any inexpensive store. They're not expensive. I would say maybe $3 each, something in that range. So I'm taking my first bowl and this little truck ornament that I picked up at Dollar General and some fake snow. I believe I got that at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to set my truck in the first one. And you want to pour a little bit of snow on top of your image, your object, just so that it looks like it was actually in the snow. So I wanted some snow in the bed of the truck. I'm going to take my next bowl and I'm going to take this barn ornament and I'm going to glue it to the bottom of my bowl. Guys, this is a really, really, really simple craft or home decor idea. And then you're going to stack those 2 on top of one another. Now I'm going on to my third bowl. And I found these trees at the dollar store. They came 3 in a pack. You could either get green or white. And I just took one of them that would fit. One of the smaller ones. And then I grabbed those little people that you can grab at the dollar store as well. These ones look like they are having a snowball fight. They're very tiny, so it's hard to see, but I'm going to get really close there. And I glued 3 of them to the bottom of my jar. Super cute. And then I'm going to add the snow on top of my people and my tree. And now I'm going to stack this third one on top. Now I grabbed this big floppy hat at the Dollar General. It was a tree topper. And I am setting that on the top of my third one. And I'm just taking the front rim and gluing it to the top jar. Now, I'm sorry I didn't flip my camera up till the last minute, and there you go. You have this cute snowman with a snow scene in each jar. I think he came out pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint brushes, paint transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.